morning. How y'all doing? Fisher Homestead here / farm. Today, I gotta get working on this project and stop putting it off. You know, you always get them projects laying around on your homestead or your farm, and you're always hesitant to do it. Well, we've got an area here on the homestead that I've started building the project, but we've really never pushed the project. We really never even showed it that much on YouTube. As you guys hear soaked in the background barking. But what I want to talk about today is about the greenhouse, right? So I went around, I looked at some of these other places, some of these shed places that build sheds, that try to build greenhouses, and look, man, $6,000 for a greenhouse that's an 8x8 is crazy. Mine, when it's said and finished, is going to end up costing me about $2 grand. Finished. So anyway, so I have a project that I need to get done for Amy, and we have to have this done before November because we have other projects coming into play that have already been scheduled and that already need to be getting prepped for, so when it comes we can do it. We got the pastures. Take you guys around, show you guys the pastures. So as you guys can see, these are the pastures that we did. This used to all be trees. Maybe Amy can put a picture up here. I don't know. If she can't, she can. If she can, she can. But these are pastures. This used to all be mostly pine trees, really. And it was bad. When we had a bad winter storm, the pine trees came down. So we got this project, you know, we've been working on that, getting the pasture done. We got a pasture farther down there. And I got to start working on that because we got to get that leveled off. And then we got the home build. The home build. And let me tell you, you know, I had COVID, Amy had COVID. I spent 2 weeks probably down from COVID. And I took my time, and I just spent the time that I was sick doing research on the foundation for the, I want the best foundation for a house. You know, people say concrete, people say do block and then pour concrete floor or pad for it. You know what, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I don't care what anybody else thinks. But when I do it, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna go overboard with it because I like going overboard. Everything that I went overboard on has been fantastic. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna point something out to you. Believe it or not, I went overboard on that. That is my chicken coop I went overboard. How did I go overboard on it? Well, I didn't use any crap supplies when I built it. That thing has got a floor in it. And if you look, you go back and look through some of our old videos. That floor in there is Zip Tech floor. And I put that in there. It's for roofs and walls. It's really not for floors. So, and they do that when they're closing in houses. I use that on the floor of my chicken coop, and I will tell you this, that company has got it going on because that coop now is 3 years old, and the inside of that coop looks like it's brand new. We can wash it down, we can scrape it with a shovel. We don't have to worry about nothing. It's off the ground, and I'll tell you what, that stuff works great. We also have it in our pump house. I put it down for the flooring of the pump house. That stuff works. I mean, unbelievably works. And especially in the chicken coop. I got 18 chickens in that chicken coop, and let me tell you, as you can hear, they're going off right now. But I got 18 chickens in that chicken coop. Let me tell you, they make a lot of poop. And we have to clean that poop out and wash it out with a hose. So, and we do that. We do that periodically. About every 3 months we'll get in there and we'll wash it out. Now, we clean our coop every single month. And the versatility, because of cleaning our coop every month, is so that the coop doesn't stink. We take care of our chickens. You know, I see a lot of photographs and a lot of pictures and a lot of stuff of people's homesteads, and look, I know a lot of you don't have the money. I know a lot of you are just doing this, you know, trying to put something together, just put together. That is fine and dandy. But you know what? You're eating their eggs. You got to keep their coop clean. You got to keep their run clean. If you look at their run, I got that coming up. It's another project I got coming up you guys have to watch. We have to redo the inside of the chicken coop. Because them suckers dig. I'm telling you, they dig. They've been digging like crazy. And if I don't get some dirt down in there real soon, they're going to dig their way out. And they're going to be all over the homestead. We want that anyway, but not until we fence it in to be safe for them. If you're wondering what that noise is, that's Hey Hey making fun of the other hens. Because she's laying an egg, because that's Hey Hey. Alright, so let's get back to the thing. Yeah, jumping all over the place today. It's going there. Alright, so as you guys can see right there, that is our greenhouse. Quit! That's our crazy dog. But that's our greenhouse, and that's what I need to get to work on today. That thing has been built now, most of it for a year. And I really haven't done anything. I need to finish painting it. I need to get the, what is it called? Tyvek plastic or plastic, whatever. I need to get that stuff. I need to find it first. That's another thing. And now that the economy's went the way it was, I looked at it about 4 months ago. $39 a sheet. I looked at it last night. $129. Really? 4 or 6 months makes that much difference? Like you don't have a warehouse full of it? Come on. They're bleeding you dry every chance they get, man. It's all about the almighty dollar. Do you know what that dollar is? It's a piece of paper. When it all comes down, it's a piece of paper. All right, well, let's go to work. Give you an idea of, I'll take a shot and give you guys an idea of what I got to do in there. Yeah. You can't see it now, but when you get to see it, you'll be like, really? Yeah, really. Hey guys, all right, we're here. We're here at the greenhouse. There it is. We got to get this cleaned up. I got to get this ready. Oh man, I got some stuff to do. We've decided that we're gonna probably go with traditional windows and not go with the Tyvek stuff because it's just too expensive. I will put it on the roof, but I am not going to put it around the sides of it. It's just too much. So I got to get in here. I got to get this cleaned up. We got so much stuff going on right now at the homestead. And I've been really letting this go. It's my own fault. So you guys are going to get to see me clean this out, get it ready. I'm going to have to get my drain set up for it and everything, so we have a drain in there. And that's kind of the idea. So at that point, got to get working, get this greenhouse, get it all finished up. Well, let's go.
Bye.